Don't you see his cloth? Look at the first man that came. Look at him. Look at how he is. He's big for the mountain. Look at the phone. Look at his phone. This man that came, the first man that came here, that first man, is the cousin. You know the president of this country. He married the cousin of the president. So there is nothing that this man cannot do. There's nothing that he cannot touch in this land. He's good for the job. That first man is good for the job.
The second man, that one that is a rendering incantation, that one is a totally counter.
I thought we should consider the third man because the third man has to care of God, and I can see the third man.
You are right. I have a strong feeling that he is the right man.
What is fear?
It's not fear.
What is fear of God in this business?
For me, let's forget about the connection the first person has.
Connection is money. Okay. A few years ago, the chairman of the bid committee how to take this right decision. I believe it's like 1 against 2 now at this junction. And I believe the chairman of the bid committee will be in my support. If the chairman is my support, we know that it's 2-2. And then we will now use his own value as the chairman will be the first person. Mr. Chairman, with respect, sir, I believe I want to do the needful. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So far so good. The first man who you believe that is highly connected. We don't know we don't need connection in this type of job. So I rule that one out. Why the second one that believes in the power of a juju and is making incantation? That one is totally ruled out again. I believe in the people that have fear of God in their heart, and this man is highly favored. Hereby, he is selected for the job.